name's Barbie and I am so excited to share with you my nighttime routine. So to start, you're going to want to take off your makeup. I'm going to put on my cute little headband because it's awesome. Alright, you're going to need a round and your oil-free eye makeup remover. To activate, we shake it up, pour some on a round, hold it on your eye makeup, and then just gently wipe. I love this stuff. It's so easy to use, it's so gentle, and it's so effective. Look at all that. Alright, I'm going to do my other eye. Yay! And this is ophthalmologist approved, so it's meant for your eyes. And it doesn't damage your delicate skin around your eyes. Ta-da! It even takes off waterproof mascara. Super easy. Love it. Next, what I use is the Micellar Water. I love this stuff. It kind of acts like the eye makeup remover, except it's for your face. So this just kind of helps me get off all my makeup, all the grime of the day, and preps my skin to fully get a nice deep clean. It's awesome. I love this stuff. So good. Love it. Pretty gross. Yucky. Next up, we are gonna do your face wash. I use the TimeWise Repair. Love this line. You get your face wet. Put a small amount of cleanser on your hand. You do not need a lot, which is amazing. That's why I love this stuff. Small circular motions up and out. And rinse. Pat dry. So good. All right, time for my eye cream. I use the TimeWise Repair. You want to put it on your ring finger because your ring finger is your weakest finger, and it's going to be the most gentle around your delicate eye skin. You just want to pat it in, let it soak in. The thing I love most about the TimeWise Repair eye cream is it has the metal tip applicator, which is so cooling, soothing, helps depuff, get rid of those visible bags that you have under your eyes. I love this applicator. It's so soothing. Love, love, love. All right, I have been using the Clinical Solutions. This is Retinol. Oh my goodness, you guys, this has helped my skin look so much younger. This is an 8-week course that you initially go through. I've already completed my 8 weeks, so now I get to use this up to 5 times a week. But if you do want to start this, you gotta let me know because there is a process to help your skin in the retinol process. So, for me, I am going to apply my retinol, avoiding your eye area. That soak in, and I'm going to follow it up with my Calm and Restore facial milk. This moisturizer is amazing. I even use it when I'm not using the retinol. It's so light but so moisturizing. Oh my goodness, so good. So I'm just gonna apply this. It really helps add a lot of moisture to your skin. Especially if you're using retinol, it can dry it out. Retinol is a vitamin A, Next step, my TimeWise Repair Night Cream. So good. Love this night cream. My face is gonna be super moisturized. I also put it down on my neck. The next thing I use is my Lash and Brow Serum. You want to use this at night when you have a clean face, and you just put it on like an eyeliner right on your lash line. This is all natural ingredients, and I put it up on my brows as well. This stuff is a miracle. I love this. My lashes are so healthy and long. Miracle. So worth it. All right, voila. That is my nighttime routine. Super simple, super easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have a beauty consultant, definitely make sure you ask her about these products. And if you don't have a beauty consultant, I would love to help you. If you have any questions, let me know. I would love to answer those for you. I'll put my contact information below, and I'll see you next time.